minutes ago electronically. Actually, some very basic questions about that too. Go ahead and get started. Good morning, Miss Rivera.
Morning, Judge. Hopefully you can hear me today. I'm
Yes,
ready.
yes. Yeah, I don't know what's going on yesterday, but all right, we're up on YouTube. So court calls State of Texas versus David G. Thurston. This is cause number 2024 CC 741202. We're here today for a plea. We're conducting the hearing using the Zoom application. We are also using YouTube to live stream the proceedings so that this hearing is open to the public. My name is Judge Jefferson Moore. I'm sitting by assignment for the Bexar County Jail Court, and in this case specifically for County Court number 9. And if I could have the attorneys make appearances starting with the state of Texas, please.
Serena Hernandez for the state.
Richard Sotower for the defense.
Sir, are you the same David Thurston charged by information with the offense of criminal trespass? Is that you, sir?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to use a function of Zoom called share screen. I'm going to show you some documents. The first one is the defendant's consent to plea by video conference. And I'm using my cursor to circle around electronic signature. Is this yours?
Yes, sir, it is.
By signing this, you're telling me two things. One, as you understand, normally we do pleas live in an open court, but that you're consenting with your signature here to do this plea by video conference. Did you understand that when you signed this?
Yes, sir.
I couldn't hear you. What was that again?
Yes, sir.
Well, okay, I'll take that as a yes. And then your the other thing about your electronic signature here is this one and all the other electronic signatures in the plea packet in front of me today. You're telling me that those are valid as if they were personally signed. Did you understand that when you signed this?
Yes, sir.
I approve the consent and make it a part of the record. Scrolling down to another document, it's called the court's admonishments. It's a 2-page document. Are you familiar with this document, sir?
Yes, sir, I am.
Did you go over this with your attorney?
Yes, sir, I did.
Did you understand it?
Yes, sir, I did.
On page 2, in the middle of the page, is an electronic signature. I'm using my cursor to circle around. Is this yours?
Yes, sir, it is.
I'm going to get out of share screen. By signing the court's admonishments, you're telling me that you understand the court's admonishments and that you understand the rights that are contained within it. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
And that you're going to give up those rights. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
The rights you're going to give up is you have the right to a trial by jury. You have a right to confront the witnesses against you. You also have the right to remain silent, which includes the right not to incriminate yourself and not plead today. Did you understand that before you sign this?
Yes, sir.
By signing this, you're also telling me you understand the consequences of a plea in the sentencing range of the offense, which is anywhere up to 180 days in the Bexar County Jail and up to a $2,000 fine. Did you understand that before you sign this?
Yes, sir.
And approve the waiver and the rights, approve the waiver of the rights contained in the court's admonishments, make it a part of the record. State, can you tell me what the agreement is, please?
Yes, Your Honor. The agreement is a $0 fine. Court costs 13 days in the Bexar County Jail. Credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and if it pleases the court, the state would ask for the judgment to be satisfied.
Counsel, is that your understanding of the agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Mr. Thurston, is that your understanding of the agreement as well?
Yes, sir.
And sir, I'm not bound by the plea bargain. I do not have to follow it. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir, I understand.
But if I do follow the plea bargain, then you lose your right to appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
That's true unless I grant you permission to appeal or unless certain motions were filed and ruled upon. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, any such rulings in this case?
Sorry, no, Your Honor.
If I do not follow the plea bargain, I'll allow you to withdraw the plea and we'll proceed to trials if this hearing never occurred. Do you understand that?
Yes, I understand.
Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir, I am.
If not, then a plea of guilty or no contest to the offense could have serious adverse effects on your immigration status. Counsel, do you believe that your client has a factual, rational understanding of the charge pending against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's been able to assist you in the defense?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's mentally competent to waive rights and enter a plea here today?
Yes, Your Honor.
So the offense is listed on your indictment, or rather in your information, How do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, sir.
Do you understand you can still be found guilty under a no contest plea,
Yes, I do.
other than the plea bargain? Did anyone promise you anything in exchange for your plea today?
No.
Did anyone force you or coerce you to plead today?
No, sir.
After going over this case with your attorney, do you believe that pleading here today is in your best interest?
Yes, sir, I do.
I find that the plea is freely, intelligently, and voluntarily made, that you're mentally competent to enter into such a plea, and I find you guilty, sir. Counsel, do we waive the pre-sentence investigation report?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is there any legal reason as to why your client cannot be sentenced today?
No, Your Honor.
Being no legal reason. According to the agreement of the state, sir, I sentence you to 13 days in the Bexar County Jail. I'll give you credit for time served. There's a $0 fine and court costs. Time and the money will run concurrent, and this is judgment satisfied. Sir, there's a plea bargain case. I filed the plea bargain, so you do not have the court's permission to appeal. You do not have the right to appeal. I'm making a certification of this for the record, and we'll provide a copy of the certification to your attorney to provide to you. And for the attorneys, is there anything else from either side?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
The matter is now concluded, and I'm turning off YouTube Live. Thank you, sir.